Apophia, Kyosimire. My company is called Biharwe Women Vendors Association. We deal in Ghee product. Before we joined Imuka, we were using manual accounting. We were using books to write our sales, our expenditure in books. But now, when I joined Imuka, they taught us how to use financial accounting, and good enough, I've won a QuickBooks system, and I'm happy for that. And this system will help our association to improve in financial accounting. I'm calling upon all entrepreneurs to come and join Imuka, because Imuka will help you to improve in your business and your financial accounting. I thank Imuka for training us for all that time, and we are going to get funders. We are going to get other opportunities in Imuka. So I'm calling upon all entrepreneurs to come and join Imuka, because Imuka will train you to improve in your businesses, to do many things. So I thank Imuka for all what you have done for us. Thank you, Imuka. Thank you very much.